Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to change your status in the Ask.fm application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see 3 lines. Press on it and in this list you will find the show status option. Press on that as well. And you can see that you have 2 options to choose from. One of them is the default online option and the second one is the invisible. So in the case that you don't want other people to find out whether you are online or not, you should just change your status to invisible, and like this you will be appearing kind of like if you were offline, but in reality you are online, so people will not be able to guess whether you're online or not. That's the whole point. So it's kind of like going private. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.